Hi there, this is Michelle from Common Threads Quilting and Yarn. Today I'm here to show you how to crochet the Drunken Granny stitch. Stay tuned, grab your colors, grab your hook, and follow along. So for this tutorial, I'm just using a number 4 weight worsted weight yarn. The first thing you need to do is make your slip knot, tighten it up and insert your hook. And then you chain multiples of 5. So however long you want, and do it loosely so that you can get your hook back into your stitches when you're done. So however long you want to make this, I'm just going to make this a sample of 30 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I just count up to 30. Got your multiples of 5, you chain 4 more stitches. And you want to insert your hook into the 6th chain from your hook. So this one right here is not going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You want to make sure that you have 2 loops. So you go right through the stitch. So you want to yarn over first. And double crochet. You want to make a total of 4 double crochets into the same stitch. Once you have your 4, you chain 3 and you make 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. Then you skip 5 stitches. You skip 4 and you go into the 5th stitch. You double crochet another block. So you double crochet 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 3 and double crochet into the same stitch 1 more time, and then you skip 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over and go into the 5th chain. You make another block of 4 double crochets, chain 3, and 1 more. Chain 3 and 1 more double crochet. Do this all the way to the end. You'll have about 3 stitches on the end that I'll explain to you when we meet. So when you get to the end, you just put 1 double crochet in the very last stitch, chain 3, and turn your work. Now these are the blocks that we're going to make the Drunken Granny with. So it's a 1 row repeat. So we just go double crochet into the nearest chain 3 space. And because it's a repeating pattern, you will do 4 double crochets all together. Chain 3 and a double crochet back into the same chain 3 space. You're going to skip all of this here and go directly into double crocheting your next block into the next chain 3 space. So there's 4 double crochets, chain 3, and 1 more double crochet. Skip everything and go right into the next chain 3 space, double crochet 4. You know the drill by now. Chain 3 and a double crochet 1 all the way to the end. I'll meet you there. Once we get to the end, you'll have your original chain 4 here, or your original, I guess it would be 5. You're just going to double crochet into the first chain of that original chain. Double crochet, and this is where I'm going to cut off my color, and I'm going to switch to a different color. So I'm going to just chain 1, snip it off, pull it through, tighten it up, and we'll get color number 2. So don't forget to turn your work. Even though you're changing colors, you need to turn your work. And we're going to start with an orange color. So what I want to do is I want to insert your hook into the last double crochet you made, and then hook your new color through, pull it through. You're going to chain 3. I just kind of let these hang down below. We can weave them in later. So 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to go into the first chain 3 space, and I'm going to make another block. So double crochet 4, chain 3, and double crochet 1 more into the same chain 3 space. And you skip over to the next chain 3 space, double crochet 4, chain 3, and double crochet 1. And this is what it looks like. So that is the Drunken Granny stitch. Thank you so much for watching, and like and subscribe to this channel if you would like to see more videos. I'll try putting one out every week, and check out our online store at www.commonthreadspa.com. You can order all your supplies and have them delivered or mailed to you, whatever you decide. Thank you so much. Take care.